Here are 10 essential Amazon travel products and accessories that will not only help you level up your travel game, but also make your travel experience that much smoother and enjoyable. Let's go.
Dream vacations start here.
Hey, if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Ben, and for those of you that follow me, you probably recognize that I'm not in my normal environment. I actually just got off an airline, and I'm in a hotel room here in Atlanta, and I thought what a great opportunity just to share with you some of the travel products I use when I travel. And so before we get started, I just want to let you know that if you're interested in any of the products I'm going to mention, all the links for these products will be linked down in the video description. So check those out if you want to pick up any of these products for yourself. But let's start with 3 brand new products that are new to me that I'm excited to share with you about, all from a company called Aerotrunk. Now this company just started just last year, and they were kind enough to send me one of their carry-ons, the Pangolin, to try out. Now I also bought their compression cubes and their travel adapter as well, but let's start with Aerotrunk's carry-on, the Pangolin. The Pangolin is outfitted with an unbreakable polycarbonate cell that is lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing at just 8.5 pounds, the Pangolin is a high-quality suitcase that is built to last. I really like the design of the carry-on, and on my flight to Atlanta, I found it to be easy to use and felt durable enough to where I didn't worry about it breaking or being damaged. Now the Pangolin is designed to fit in the overhead bins of the major US airlines, and I had no issues getting this one to fit in the overhead bin for my flight, but just know that for smaller planes, you'll probably run into fit issues and may be forced to check it. Now the Pangolin comes in at $189.95 on Amazon, but as a thank you for watching the video, you can get a 10% discount by using the code BENDREAM10 at checkout. One of the things I noticed right away when I started using the Pangolin is how smooth and quiet the wheels were. Aerotrunk uses Japanese 360-degree spinner wheels, and it requires very little effort to move it. This carry-on also has a telescopic handle that is height adjustable with 4 different settings. Another key feature on the Pangolin is the built-in front compartment, which provides easy access to your travel essentials. Store phones, batteries, cables, passports, sunglasses, and other small items in these 3 internal zippered pockets, and the 2 bigger pockets can easily store a 15-inch laptop and or tablet. Another feature is the ability to expand the suitcase an extra 2 inches, making it easy for you to store some extra clothes without having to resort to checking your carry-on. Just make sure it will still meet the carry-on requirements for the airline you'll be flying on. This carry-on is also equipped with TSA-approved locks with lockable zippers if you need to secure the contents of your bag. I only wish that the locks were located at the top of the carry-on and not the side, but that's just a personal preference. Moving to the interior of the suitcase, you'll notice 3 pockets for storage, and then on the other side, a compression pad with straps to not only secure your items, but compress that area behind it to be able to fit more in it. Behind the left side of the carry-on is an area for storage. Now this area is shallower than the right side because of the front storage pocket that sits right behind it. Moving to the right side of the suitcase, you'll find another pocket for storage, and then as I open it, you'll notice the second product by Aerotrunk, which is their compression cubes. I really like these. They're very well made and durable. I'm using the larger one to hold my shirts and pants, and then a smaller one for socks and underwear. As you can see, they perfectly fit inside the carry-on, and there are 2 more cubes that I didn't need, but you can see how they would fit inside. So let me just show you how to compress these cubes. So there's an additional zipper on the cubes, and all you have to do is zip it up, and it becomes about half the size. And as you can see, the smaller bag was the same size as the larger bag, but now after it has been compressed, it's a lot smaller and you can fit more into this area. These packing cubes go for $49.95 on Amazon, but I think you can save some money if you bundle these 2 items together. A couple of other items that I wanted to mention about the Pangolin that I think are nice touches is first, this detachable toiletry bag, which you can store your toiletries and other smaller items. And then it also comes with 3 storage bags, which you can use to put dirty clothes in or even wet bathing suits. So just some nice touches and really a compliment to Aerotrunk for thinking about the details that went into designing this carry-on. The third product from Aerotrunk is their universal travel adapter. Currently going for $19.95 on Amazon, this travel adapter has 4 different international plug adapters covering more than 150 countries. It has the EU plug, a US plug, an Australia-New Zealand plug, and a UK plug. It does have a built-in fuse protector, safety shutters, and an LD power indicator. This travel adapter comes with 3 USB ports and a USB-C port. What I like about it is that even if you're not traveling internationally, you can just plug it into your home country's outlet and use it to charge multiple devices at once if you find yourself short on outlets. And I just want to let you know that for any of the Aerotrunk products that you choose to buy, if you enter the code BENDREAM10, you'll get a 10% discount off your purchase. So make sure you use that code when you check out. All right, the next product I want to show you is the Matein Travel Laptop Backpack. This one I've had for a few years, and it's held up pretty well. I like it a lot because it does have a lot of storage. There's a front compartment where you can store all your smaller items, including a key fob. There's a middle compartment and a rear compartment where you can store a laptop or tablet. And at the back of the backpack, there's all kind of nice padding on the back and on the straps, which makes it very comfortable to wear. And on the bottom, there's even an anti-theft pouch, which you can use to store your passport and other important documents. Another great feature that I like about this backpack is that it comes with a USB port and cable. So all you would do is just plug in the USB port to your power bank and then attach your charging cable from your phone to the outside USB port, and you can use that to charge your devices without searching for an outlet. Currently, this Matein travel laptop backpack is going for $40 on Amazon.
Alright, so you saw the INIU power bank, which is what I use for most of the time. But if you want something a little bit more powerful, charges more quickly, then I would go with this guy here. This is the Feeke solar charged power bank. You can see it's a lot more larger, holds much more power, charges faster. It also has a solar panel here. So the smaller INIU goes for $18 on Amazon, and then the Feeke solar charged power bank goes for $24 on Amazon. The only downside to this is probably if you're going to be taking this in your carry-on, you're probably going to have to take it out when going through security. This is probably a little bit bigger than a normal cell phone. It is a lot heavier, so it does weigh more. If your airline charges for carry-on weight, then you might want to avoid this one. Go with the smaller one, but I would use this for international flights. So it does have a flashlight and then 2 USB ports and a USB-C port.
Another great product I like to use is this power strip cube made by Anker. This is going for $22 on Amazon. And I don't know if you feel the same frustration as I do when I visit hotel rooms, but there never seems to be enough outlets. And if you're traveling with multiple people, everyone's trying to fight for outlets. So to help alleviate that problem, go with this travel cube made by Anker. It comes with 2 USB ports, a USB-C port, and plenty of extra outlets to help plug in your devices. The next product are these things. These are called LightDims. They go for $6 on Amazon. And if you ever had lights in your hotel room that keep you awake at night, like this digital clock next to my bed, or this annoying red light on my TV. To solve that problem, all you have to do is peel one of these decals off, place it over the light source to keep your room nice and dark. Okay, moving into the bathroom area, one of the issues I always have with hotel rooms is that there's never enough counter space. Obviously, it says me here, but when you have multiple people in the hotel room, like where do you put your stuff? There's just not enough room for everyone to put their stuff on the counter, so it just gets cluttered. So what I like to use is this toothbrush and razor holder. It sticks to the mirror easily, comes right off. This one goes for $23, and I do believe it also comes in black. So something else that's really annoying in hotel rooms is that there's never enough hanger space. So here's a solution. This right here, see how compact it is? Opens up into a hanger. So it goes from that to this. So in my closet, they only have 4 hangers for me. So that'd be good if it's just me, but if I'm here with other people, like I said, there's just not enough hangers. So having these, super convenient. So on Amazon, these come in a 24 pack for $18. So another issue I usually run into with hotel rooms is that there's usually not enough places to hang things in the bathroom. Not so much a problem in this one, but in general, there's never hooks like to hang your towel. So what I like to use are these plastic suction hooks. So all they do is stick to the glass like so, and these can hold up to 6.5 pounds. So these are $7 for 2 of them or $10 for 4 of them. So a good place to just hang your towel or maybe even a wet bathing suit, hang it up inside the shower. So just a great product to use if you're going to a hotel and just need some extra hooks to hang up your towels or wet bathing suits. Super durable, like I said, holds up to 6.5 pounds. Just a great pickup if you want some extra hooks in your bathroom space. So those were just a few of the travel products I use when I travel. I have a few more listed down in the video description if you're interested in seeing some more. But let me know if you have any questions about anything I covered in today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to catch you in a future video.